traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 30th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And gold came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So, yeah, gold didn't really do a whole heck of a lot today. It did pretty much exactly what I thought it was going to do, though. It did come back and retest the break of the Fibonacci level. So we had our Fibonacci retracement on this last little push up. It was a very small little pullback, but it definitely did pull back to the break of the Fib level, and then it bounced off the 38% Fibonacci retracement on this last wave up, and it did make another push to the upside. I mean, for me, even if you are a scalper, which I'm definitely not, but even if you are a scalper, I still think you need to be leaning towards longs. The fact that we did break through this fib level tells me that the next fib level is pretty likely to hit, and the next Fibonacci level is all the way up at the 2818 area. Now that doesn't mean it's just going to keep on going up there. I'm sure there's going to be pullbacks along the way, but until it actually breaks structure on any time frame, I would still, even as a scalper, be primarily looking for longs. I mean, this thing could easily just continue to make higher highs, higher lows, all the way up to the $2,800 area, 2818, and maybe even beyond. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.